Playing peekaboo again. See, that's how it looks like to me. To the human eye. Completely invisible. But if I run out there, it's gonna go and hide behind the house. It's just rotating around, getting 4K coverage of me giving it the finger. It's jiggling now because I'm giving it the finger.
Oh, hell no. You see that purple thing again?
It's probably giving me the finger back. You don't see it on my phone? Jaden, because I had a friend that didn't believe me. Can you see that without the camera?
No.
But in the camera, you see that purple thing?
Yes.
You can't see that with your eyes?
I can see it on your phone.
On my phone, but without the phone.
I cannot see it without the phone.
At all?
At all.
Not even a little bit?
Not even a little bit.
Like, it's completely not there, right?
Yes.
Because I had a buddy that doesn't believe me that
My stupid ass is...
it only appears on the camera. He's like, well, why would you pull the camera out? Because he doesn't know about the UPS truck that drives by with a SWAT member in the back. You can even put the lights on, it doesn't even affect it. It stays still just as bright.
My phone.
It's got like an orb around it too.
Your phone only gets it. I don't get it.
Yo, what is that?
Oh, hell no.
Jaden. Or
Jocelyn.
Jocelyn. Can you see that though without my phone?
Yes.
No, I'm saying you see it on my phone. Without my phone, can you see it?
Someone standing in the front lawn.
Someone's standing in the fucking front.
It was.
Stop playing.
Come on. I looked out the bathroom.
Come on. Look at, alright, Haley. I need every witness because my friends don't believe me.
I do.
So, can you see it? Can you see it without my phone?
I see a purple flash.
Do you see the purple orb on my phone?
I don't see the orb, but I see a flash.
It's right above the blue house.
I see a purple flash.
That's it.
Do you see it?
Can you see it
No,
without
but
the
can you
phone?
see it without
I
the
see a
phone?
purple light on the thing, but I don't see that orb.
You don't see that purple thing?
I see a purple light though.
Where do you see a purple light?
Right there on top of the blue house.
I see a purple light in day.
You like my new phone?
Where the fuck do you see a purple light?
I got it yesterday.
I see the thingy, but I don't see the orb. I just see the light.
Where?
Like, above the blue house.
You can see the purple light?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there.
You see a purple light?
Right there. Above the house.
Above the house you see it?
Yes.
Without the camera?
Yes.
How come I can't see it?
Because you're blind.
How, is it small? It's small?
Freaks you out, right?
Huh?
Freaks you out,
Wait,
right?
Haley, you could see
I see purple light on top of the.
without the phone?
Yes.
How come I can't? Jaden said he couldn't either.
I couldn't see it. All you can see it on his phone.
Y'all lying. There ain't no fucking purple light above that house.
Because he's actually a good one.
Okay.
Look it, no, it's Joe.
And there he's sleeping with shoes on and everything. I fucking took his shoes off. You should see me try to take off his one fucking shoe. It kept hitting the wall every time I pulled it up to take it off. And then
If you want to say anything, just stay calm.
yeah, no.
Cleared my browser history after they remotely factory reset my phone for the second time.
Grab it.
For all I know, this freaking predator-like orb could hear everything along with seeing everything. But after I cleared my browser history, it brought one link popped up and it brought me to Best Buy to a $1,700 drone. And then I came across another drone that's infa-purple instead of infrared. It's night. You could see in night vision with 4K. Y'all can't see no purple light without the phone. Y'all are lying. You don't see no purple light without the phone. That thing that is on my camera is invisible. I do not see it without my camera. That's what it looks like to me with my eyes. Jaden, you don't see it though without the camera, right?
No, I don't see no.
But that green light is weird.
It's just
And
floating.
I've
there.
seen the other day that window was lit up.
How much you spent on these?
Those were Polly's.
How you get them? Polly gave them to you?
Yeah, they let me use them.
Good.
I think there's just people in that house or something. I don't know what that green dot is, but on camera, so people know, you didn't see anything, right? On that orb? Thank you.